Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your unavailable dates on Fiverr app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and you're going to be away for a certain amount of dates. How do you actually go ahead and set that on the Fiverr app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first hop onto the Fiverr app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. From here, at the top hand side, you're going to see this option that says availability. Go ahead and click on availability. Next, click on set of unavailable dates. And you can see here that there are multiple different reasons and dates that you can edit in order to go ahead and set your unavailable dates. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set unavailable dates on Fiverr. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.